Stocks are down today, Laura, down about 0.6%, and it's really due to the US market having a weaker night of trading overnight. Tech stocks in America on the NASDAQ fell about 0.5%. They were down 4%, but they regained a bit later in the trading session. Tech stocks on the Aussie market, they're the weakest performers today, down 6%. And it's a big day of profit results. Woolworths declaring its best dividend in 6 years due to continued pandemic sales. Bega Cheese profit up about 150%. The CEO of Medibank, Craig Drummond, he's retiring after 5 years in the job. And Scentre Group, the owners of the Australian Westfields, they've reported a loss of about $3.8 billion. And our business editor, Ross Greenwood, will be speaking to the chief executive, Peter Allen, a bit later today.
This is not a toothless kind of tiger of a code. You know, there is a compliance committee, and so I think there's one thing to be able to sign up to a set degree of practices, but of course those practices need to be monitored, and there needs to be a level of governance around it for it to have the weight and carry that we all want it to.
And that is a little grab from an interview I just did half an hour ago with the chief executive, Rebecca James of Hum Group. They're one of a new buy now, pay later company in Australia. And she was talking about a new code for buy now, pay later companies that will be launched on Monday, the 1st of March, just next Monday. And basically, there's more customer protections that are be coming into the buy now, pay later space. It's a space that's grown tremendously over the last 24 months with transaction volumes on the rise. I was talking to Rebecca today because it's Hum's profit results today, and their profit was up quite nicely to about $39 million. The interesting thing with their company, Laura, the average size of a transaction on Hum is $4,500, whereas some of their competitors like Afterpay, it's only $150. So they're targeting quite a different customer to most of the buy now, pay later businesses.
Okay, so you're talking about Hum, Afterpay, ZipPay, those type of things. Has the industry been calling out for some kind of code?
The industry has been calling out for a code, and that's what is being delivered now on Monday. This is a code that has been basically written with various people within the industry. They've come to an agreement, and it's going to have an independent committee with oversight across the industry, which will have the ability to name and shame buy now, pay later companies which do the wrong thing. So it should result, according to buy now, pay later companies, in better regulation for the sector and better customer outcomes.